Welcome to Discover La Jolla, where we shine a light on the jewel of San Diego, La Jolla, California. I'm here with Sky Seals from Easy Solar and Roofing.
Hi, thank you for the opportunity to come and visit with you and all of your viewers. I'm excited to be here and go through the history of the company and who we are and where we started at. So again, thank you for taking the time to allow us to come in and tell you about ourselves.
Yeah, we're excited to have you in and learn a little bit more about the company. So tell us about how you got started and what makes you different from other solar and roofing companies.
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm the CEO and founder of Easy Solar and Roofing. I actually started the company back in 2010, so we're going on 15 years now.
So being in the business for 15 years, what would you say some of the challenges are about having your own business?
Yeah, so we've definitely seen a lot of industry ups and downs. We've seen a lot of economy ups and downs. Thankful to have thought in the early days of the company that we needed to offer at least two different trades, and two different trades that complement each other, not trades that are completely different in the industry. So one of the issues in the early days that we were having is that we were really good solar installers. We could get up there and install all sorts of different solar panels, all sorts of different racking, inverters, monitoring, and provide exactly what the customer needed. But we were lacking an important element of the business, which is the roofing side of things. So typically, roofers are really good at roofing, but they have no idea what they're doing with the solar, and vice versa. Most solar installers are really good at installing solar, but they have no idea what to do on the roofing aspect of it. So I incorporated roofing into the company, and since then it has really helped our clients be able to get a complete package with both the solar and the roofing. It also allows them to qualify for certain tax credits that's available only at the time that you install the solar system. So if you install a roof at the exact same time that you install the solar system, we can qualify you for your 30% tax credit, which is huge. It's a one-time deal, it's a one-shot opportunity, and it's really important that we're taking care of our customers' finances. It's important that we're not just getting up there and installing the solar system and leaving the home or the project without taking the interest of our customers in mind as our highest priority.
Right, because a lot of people, I'm sure, they're a little bit uneasy having the solar guy up on the roof doing work on the roof. It's kind of like kept separate, but keeping it all in one seems to be more advantageous for the customer.
It 100% is. And that's something that I would highly recommend that every single one of your viewers takes into consideration. There's actually, according to the California State License Board, there's only 92 roofing contractors, legal contractors in San Diego.
Wow.
Only 92 roofing contractors in San Diego. Out of those 92 roofing contractors, it's single digit with how many solar installers there are. There's general contractors, there's a lot of other types of trades, but when you're doing a heart surgery, the way that I look at it, you don't want a general doctor to do the heart surgery. You want a specialist to come in and work on your heart. So with us being specifically in the roofing trade and in specifically licensed as a roofing contractor, as a C39, which is what the trade code is, and as a electrical contractor that supersedes any other contractor as far as electrical goes, which is a C10 electrical contractor, we can now install both your solar system and your roof without voiding the warranty of the other trade, which I would highly recommend that your viewers take into consideration. It's important that they get a legal contractor that is legally licensed with both a C39 roofer, as a C39 roofer, and as a C10 electrical contractor. If they're not, they are legally not legally not allowed to be able to install one or the other or both.
Right. And I'm sure a lot of people don't know that. So thank you so much for sharing that to our viewers. I'm sure it'll be very helpful for them. And if they're watching this and they have more questions, they want to get in touch, what's the best way for them to contact you?
Yeah, absolutely. So they can reach our sales department. We have really educated sales guys in there. We train our guys to not be pushy. It's more of an educational presentation. We come in, we'll answer any of your questions. We'll make recommendations. Even if you don't go with us, we highly encourage you go with a licensed contractor. Make sure they're licensed in roofing. Make sure they're licensed in electrical. It's extremely important.
Thank you so much, Sky. And we really appreciate you coming in and talking about EZ Solar and roofing. And if you're watching this, be sure to check them out. And thank you so much for coming on the podcast today.
Thank you for having us. I appreciate it.